Yeah, I'm Barry Coster. I'd like to tell you a few things about the Ralph Bloss Humanitarian Award. Trina?
Yeah, hi, I'm Trina Cooper, and I'm going to tell you, Ralph Bloss was a mentor of mine. And the one thing about him is that he served people. And so his award is about honoring people who serve. It doesn't have to be a big name. It doesn't have to be somebody that that the whole industry knows. It's about someone who goes out of their way to make a contribution and that really cares and serves.
You know, we were the We Society during Ralph's time, and it seems like we're the Me Society today. We have to have more we. And we're looking for people not technical with carpet cleaning. It's giving back to the community. It's caring about people, caring about causes. What have you done to give back to society? That is what this award's all about.
You know, he gave so much of himself, and it wasn't just, can I bring you, he was the president of Steamway. It wasn't like, can I sell you this machine, that kind of thing. It was, hey, how can I help you in your business? How can I expand what you're doing? How can I do something better for you? And the one thing that I learned, I've served on all kinds of nonprofit boards and things, and one of the things is that there's so many people that need help, and his teaching to us about really making sure that family comes first, making sure that you serve from the heart, making sure that you touch the people that you're with, it's amazing. And it's such an honor for someone to receive this, because most people that are like that, they don't ever look for any of that. He never looked for the accolades, or he was just ready to step right out and give it to whoever he needed to.
So if you know of anyone that's worthy of this award, please make sure you nominate them. Let us know what have they done for society, what have they done for humanity. They don't need to be in the cleaning industry, or cleaners. It has nothing to do with their actions of cleaning. So if you know of somebody, please make sure you nominate them.